How to share a video on TikTok to Instagram directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any video on TikTok to Instagram directly. So first thing, go to TikTok. Now let's say that I want to share this video. First thing, go here to the share option here down below, click on it like this, and then swipe right and you will find Instagram. Now you have the option to share it as a news feed or add it to your story. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.